How much should you actually spend on a folding shopping cart? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Seiki Heavy Duty Wagon. First up is the Seiki Wagon Cart, priced at $39.99. It's lightweight yet heavy duty, with a capacity of 220 pounds. If you want a reliable cart for groceries, gardening, or even beach trips, this is worth a serious look. What caught my eye is its robust carbon steel frame, which means it can handle all your heavy lifting tasks without breaking a sweat. The fact that it folds down to a compact size makes it super convenient for storage, so you won't need to worry about it taking up too much space in your car or garage. Plus, the 360-degree rotating front wheels make maneuvering on various terrains a breeze, whether you're on grass or pavement. Given its 4.6-star rating and over 1,800 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its quality. Now, some people complained about the handle being a bit too short for taller users. Here's the thing though, if you're under 6 feet, it's generally manageable. But if you're taller, you might want to consider this before purchasing. This cart is perfect for you if you need something durable yet portable for outdoor activities. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically designed for heavy-duty construction work. For $39.99, it offers excellent value for a versatile utility cart. Now, if the Seiki's handle length concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VoIP VI Heavy Duty Dolly Cart. Next, we have a VoIP VI folding hand truck, also at $39.99. This one's designed for those who need to move a lot of stuff effortlessly. If you're frequently on the go, this might be your new best friend. What really stands out about this cart is its impressive 500 pounds load capacity, making it ideal for heavy lifting tasks without the hassle. It features 6 wheels that provide excellent stability and maneuverability. Plus, the adjustable platform and included elastic ropes mean you can secure your items with ease. Weighing in at only 6.5 pounds, it's perfect for travel or storing in small spaces. With a solid 4.4-star rating and over 3,100 reviews, users love its practicality. However, some customers reported that the wheels can get jammed if overloaded. Here's the thing though, if you stick to the recommended load limit, you shouldn't face any major issues. Just be cautious when loading it up. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight but strong cart for various tasks. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extremely heavy or bulky items constantly. It's a great value at $39.99 for what it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a bit more space. Product number 3, VersaCart Transit. Third on our list is the VersaCart Transit, priced at $84.95. This one's a bit pricier, but if you need durability and versatility, this is worth considering. The VersaCart has a patented rugged steel frame, ensuring it can handle up to 120 pounds without breaking a sweat. It features double front swivel wheels for smooth maneuvering and an extra-large water-resistant bag with a cover that protects your items from elements. Plus, it folds compactly for storage, making it great for small spaces. With a 4.7-star rating from over 8,600 reviews, it's evident that users appreciate its durability and design. However, some users mentioned that the assembly of the wheels can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing, once you get it set up, it's generally smooth sailing from there. Just take your time during assembly. This cart is perfect for you if you want a versatile option for groceries and outdoor use. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly. At $84.95, it's a bit of an investment, but you're paying for quality and durability. Now, if you're looking for something a little less expensive but still effective, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, Rozon Collapsible Wagon. Coming in at number 4 is the Rozon Collapsible Wagon, priced at $38.99. If you want a compact solution that's easy to store, this might be the one for you. This wagon weighs only 12 pounds and can fold down to fit in tight spaces, making it perfect for trips to the store or outdoor activities. It boasts a sturdy 1.2 millimeters thick steel frame and can hold up to 120 pounds, making it surprisingly durable for its weight. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels make it easy to maneuver, even when fully loaded. With a solid 4.6-star rating and over 5,500 reviews, it's clear that it's a popular choice among users. However, be aware that some users found the fabric to be a bit thin. Here's the thing. If you're mostly using it for light to moderate loads, it should hold up well. Just keep heavier items in mind. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and easy to transport. Skip this one if you're planning on carrying heavy gardening supplies. For $38.99, it strikes a nice balance between quality and affordability. Now, if you're looking for something with even more capacity, check out our final product. Product number 5, Blamoba Collapsible Wagon. Finally, we have the Blamoba Collapsible Wagon at $39.98. This one combines heavy-duty construction with practicality. With a load capacity of 220 pounds, this wagon is perfect for carrying larger items. It features a high-strength carbon steel frame and high-quality 300D Oxford fabric, making it both water-resistant and durable. The 360 degrees wheels ensure smooth movement on different terrains, and the telescopic handle makes it easy to pull. With a 4.6-star rating and over 2,800 reviews, users appreciate its reliability for outdoor adventures. On the downside, some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky when folded. Here's the thing though, if you have a bigger vehicle or more storage space, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast needing a sturdy cart. Skip this if you need something very compact. At $39.98, it offers great value for its capacity and durability. So, to wrap it up, we've got the Seiki heavy-duty wagon for versatility, the VoIP VI hand truck for heavy lifting, the VersaCart for durability, the Rozong for compactness, and the Blamoba for outdoor use. Each of these folding shopping carts offers something unique, so it really comes down to what fits your needs best.